Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to talk about BMW logos and how to debadge your car. So I have two ways that I actually used both of them. And the first one is to buy the emblems online and just to replace them. Basically, you just buy the emblems, especially for the wheels. That's pretty easy to do. Not sure about the steering wheel. It's probably just glue, and the trunk and the hood, they have these two clips that go inside. Well, not, I don't know if they're clips or not, but they have like these two holes. And you just push them in. So what I did was I bought a set of all of them, for the steering wheel, for the hood, for the trunk, for the wheels, and I only used 4 of them for the wheels. The other 3 I still have them in my car. Actually, I don't know if it's my car, probably at my house. But yeah, anyway, I still have them. And these, let me show you which ones I'm talking about. So, here it is. It's these carbon fiber black and white. They cost $18 and they have 2 colors. You can do blue and white, but that's with carbon fiber, which is pretty cool as well. But if you guys like stock, but I like the black and white, so these are the ones I used. And that's for the rims. If you guys want for the trunk and the hood, is these two. I'm gonna leave the links down below, and it's $13 for these two, but you gotta look at the sizes of yours as well. Just measure it to make sure they fit, because mainly why I didn't replace mine was they just didn't fit in the front and in the back, because I have the XXM. I guess they have different sizes for the M, but yeah, it didn't fit. They both were smaller. Like one of them, the one that was supposed to be for the back, kind of fit for the front. Like size wise, it was perfect. But the one that was for the hood was way smaller for any of them. So yeah, anyway, and then I just decided not to replace the one on the steering wheel because I didn't want to disconnect the battery, just to be safe with the airbag and all that. So what I did was, which is the second method, is buy these adhesive stickers. It's only $9 and you get a bunch of them, and you can use them for your whole car. As you can see, it's these pieces right here, and they have a bunch of different colors. Only $9. You can pick whatever colors you want. Here they are. Let me show you. You can see right here, and I still have a bunch. Didn't use them for my rims because I replaced them with black and white, but as you can see, the steering wheel, I have these stickers and they look really good, and they feel really good as well. The only reason you would look super close is if you like looking for something, and yeah, you can see that it's a sticker. If you look super close, you can even see tiny bit of blue, but other than that, it looks good. And I did the same thing for the hood and the trunk. So yeah, that was pretty easy. I like both of the methods, but my favorite one is adhesive stickers. I also saw other people putting like custom emblems, which was cool, but I couldn't find any of that. Maybe if I find it, I'll put it in the description as well. Like some dude had, instead of the emblem, he had an M button logo, the whole circle. It was just M, and he had no badges other than that. Like he didn't have X6, M, any of that. So yeah. And how I found about these adhesive sticker ones, I saw some dude with black and yellow ones, and he was actually like walking up to the car, so I asked him real quick, and he said, yo, they have these adhesive stickers that you can buy. It's way easier to do. So I was like, well, shit, let me try it. And here we are. Super easy. Love it. So yeah, if you guys like any of these methods, just leave a like. Pick one that you want or feel comfortable with, and just use it. Trust me, it's gonna change the way your car looks completely. You're gonna love it. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know what happens with your car, with the emblems, if they fit or not, whatever it is. I'm interested in what you have to say. Always happy to talk to you guys. So ask me anything you want. I'll answer, or you can just talk. Why not? You know what I mean? So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Peace.